you would start doing? Did you make those changes? Did you meet any of those goals? Did you keep any of those resolutions? Did you? Here I was, I had all these grand plans and ambitions, and what did they amount to?
There's only one thing a friend of mine years ago taught me when I was coming up, and I was deciding if I was going to do this, if I was going to pursue this life. And he's an Indian friend of mine. He said, "Ab nahi to kab." I think that means if not now, then when. So whatever you want to do, ab nahi to kab.
Most people aren't obsessed with their goals because they don't believe they're worthy of them. It's easy to dream about what you want, but in between where you are and what you want, there's a tremendous amount of stuff you got to change and do. But you do have a responsibility to do the work to change so that you can be the happy, fulfilled person that you were born to be.
All right. Okay, started. I'll go over to gold weekly. Oh, did something at the end of last week. What the trend? You got the weekly low at 42.05, XAUUSD 32. The weekly high at 43.26, XAUUSD 90. $43.26, XAUUSD 90 for the high, for the low, 42.05, XAUUSD 32. Given a midweek support level of 42.66.11. Okay, so we got a trend on gold right here. They broke consolidation on Thursday last week. And started a trend here. Don't give them the whole thing. It's high. I'm looking for gold to break that high. I will wait for London. Confirm the retest. Here. We looking forward to retest before we take the buy on gold. The retest area is right here. That's the area we looking for gold to come into to take the buy. will be a TP1, 2, and the 81 area. The overall high for gold is 81.73. I'm looking for gold to break that high. This is a fresh breakout. It's not even a breakout out of a week. It was in a daily consolidation right here that it just broke out of. It's the daily order out here. After it came out here. So we got a lot of buy confluence for both. So this is what I'm looking at for this week. Y'all can take profit along the way up into here on the buy. You're gonna look at US30. Real quick. We got the weekly low for the US30 at 47,776.8. The weekly high 48,581.4. So that's the weekly high 48,581.4. The weekly low 47,776. 47,776.8 for the weekly low. US30. Given a midweek level of support at 48,179.1. US30 bounced right off the mid-month level of support. It looked like it made a new monthly high. All right, yep, it did. We gotta adjust that. Month's high on US30 is 48,879.8. So the monthly high 48,879.8. Monthly low 46,597.3. Giving a mid-month level of support of 47,738.6. We got it bouncing off right off the mid-month still. Right in that area. We got a 4-day trend. Out of a 4-day consolidation here. I'm out of this daily order block. Yeah, right at the mid-month level of support that it bounced off of. So this is showing us confirmations on US30. So New York, I'm looking to get into a buy on US30. Looking for it to retest this area where it was projected at. This is a strong value candle. This is why I don't anticipate it closing out this full order just yet. Because this candle right here on the 4 hours indicating a strong buy value and it's off a key level of support right here. A lot of buy value came in here, right? They put a lot of money in the market right there. Anticipate that just being closed out. That's an indication of a change of direction. So this here, I'm anticipating for US30. That's to come back up and retest. They're moving in opposite direction. So the weekly high for NAS is 24,138. No, it's not the high. Sorry. The high is 25,337.74. The low is 25,120.12. We got the weekly high for now at 25,337.74. The weekly low 25,120.12. giving a midweek level of support of 25,226.93. Now, we got NAS going in the opposite direction of the US30 right now. NAS is starting a sell trend coming out of a daily sell order block up here. We got several retests right here at the top. It's below the mid-month area, confirmed 4-hour candle under the mid-month. So we looking for a sell-off on NAS. On a sell trend right here. Out of a sell order block, confirmed retest of the high. Under the mid-month level of support here. I'm looking for a sell. On the This is where I'm looking to take my entry from. Get my stop. There. EP1. It's targeting in here to this 4-hour order block here. That's the overall target. Now, a lot of sell volume came into the market right here. Heavy sell volume came into the market here. And this is the area of sell anyway. We retested this area 1, 2, 3 times. Definitely looking for a nice sell for NAS. The weekly low for Bitcoin is 88,065.44. Weekly high is 90,747.57. So the high 90,747.57. The low 88,065. 44. Given a midweek level of support of 89,406.51. So we got some consolidation right here on Bitcoin. We needed to break above this. Right here, it's consolidating between 94 and 88. We got a sell trend to here, but here is also where it's rejecting off us from this area. It bought back up from right around here. 1, 2, 3 times. And showing that it's pulling back up. Oops, see? Pulling back up right there. Because this is where it's been pulling up from, this area. Right around that 88 area, it's gonna start buying back up. I mean, it's a decent enough space in between the daily consolidation to take a buy, but it is a consolidation. I wouldn't hold it past that 94 mark until it breaks. But that's where it's probably gonna head up into, because that's the area where it's been selling off from. Right around that 94 area, up under the mid-month. Right around the mid-month is where it's been selling from. So we in the area where it's buying from here, 88, 87, 88, that's where it's been buying from. Got multiple touches in this area here. So just a quick recap for gold. Looking for a buy here around midweek level of support. You don't have to have a stop that wide, but you want to set the stop up under this level of support. This would be a TP1. This would be a TP2. And the overall how where gold is headed is that 30, that 83 area, 383 area for gold. US30 is moving the opposite of NAS. We got US30's been on a daily buy trend here. Bouncing off the mid-level of the point, moving in the upward direction. Or US30 sell, I will say it's gonna buy before it sells. To try to come and retest this high. And for now, we have a daily sell trend on NAS. 1, 2, 3 days. It's been selling from this area. We got multiple retests on a daily time frame. It's up under the mid-month, a key level of resistance here. It broke under that resistance. That broke under that support level, broke the support. And this is where it's starting and headed down. Here in New York, I would like to get it like right around there. That's the area of entry for now, for sell. And on Bitcoin, it's consolidating, but the consolidation is wide enough for you to take entry. That's the consolidation. Yeah. So this is the area where it's been buying from. Where it's been rejecting us. Off this level of support. You see, you got multiple times where it came down to this 88 area and bought. You were gonna take a buy here. You take a buy here. This would be entry here. Right around where it's pulling down to. This would be a take profit. Here would be a take profit at 92, and here at 94 would be a take profit. But you could take multiple profits in between, underneath this 94 level right here, because this is where it's rejecting it. Bitcoin. Any question? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I'm gonna have the call up for y'all within like the next couple hours before London. The call should be up to review. All right, we're gonna go ahead and end this. Let's have a profitable week, y'all. Trade wisely, use proper risk management. Let's get this back. Let's end this quarter off right.